Just like, does it hurt?
Yes.
That means he needs to adjust it.
It still hurts.
Which one?
Which one was
This one.
that one?
Can you believe he's my kid?
Well, my nose does. That hurts. Ow.